Parivrita Surya Yantrasana, compass pose. It's an advanced position. Please only try it if you are well prepared. The legs can be in 3 ways, like in triangle, or like in Sirsasana, or you can keep the legs straight. Now we will do with the original version, in which is one leg is in triangle. Bring the other leg, the heel, close to the buttock and push your weight forward. Be in your sitting bones and sacrum inserted inside. Scoop yourself under the leg and see that you're trying to bring your leg to your upper arm and or to your shoulders. Slowly grab it with the opposite hands, the big toe, and slowly stretch the leg up and see that that there is power in the body. Squeeze the back of the leg towards the shoulders and try your shoulders to push back. Now I will show you a modification where we use belt under the ball of the feet, and you grab the belt with the opposite hands and you have to make the same action, like push forward your weight towards the leg, but try to push your shoulders back and stretch your leg as high as possible. See that you remain grounded in the hips and you feel the energy lines in your body. And eventually I show you Eka Sirsasana. If you practiced enough the compass position, then you can attempt this asana, the famous asana where we place our leg behind the neck. And in this asana you can either remain seated, maybe hands in namaskar, or you can lie back on your back. It requires a tremendous amount of effort, but it gives a great strength and immunity to the body. We practice these asanas for mental and physical health and not for vanity.